serious thought, because I just heard you just had a birthday, so I got you something. Yeah, you like that, Chris? Yeah. Get your ass out the car, Chris, right now. You gonna open this gift
bro.
right now.
Why'd you get me something, bro?
Nah, man.
What's up, baby?
What's up, man? Just about time we got you one of these.
Before I open this gift right here, it was my birthday 4 or 5 days ago, so I was out of town for a few days, and this guy decided to get me a gift. Can't have my boy left with no shine.
Oh! Now read the back.
He has to be ready to race once Goblin 2.0 comes out.
Oh!
These are the ones you have.
Bro, you can look like me. Hold on, you gotta put it on, Chris. Oh,
beer chains.
I see.
Oh, fuck.
Oh!
All right, how's it going, guys? Chris here, the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, we have day 2 of Corvette Phase 3 installs right now. And
we out here, let's go.
as you guys could see, what's that?
Whoa, what is that, Chris?
What's that? All right, so about 5-6 days ago, I might have picked up a carbon fiber, a hood, and I couldn't wait to bring it here to install.
Yeah,
so,
I could tell, Chris. You didn't want to tell me.
I did it all by myself in my garage, but it looks so nice. And we got this nice sanded, polished. This is gonna be completely exposed. This part's gonna be wrapped over, but look at these vents. Ooh. Look at the weaving. Yeah. As I told you guys before, I have carbon fiber fenders on the way, and it's about 6 to 8 weeks, and it also got delayed because of COVID on top of that. So that's the reason I haven't been able to upload for the last 2-3 weeks. Everything is taking forever to come. I kind of miscalculated the timing on everything, but this should be here in the next few weeks. So this is gonna be full exposed carbon. This is gonna be wrapped the color of the car, and then this is gonna be exposed carbon. So it's gonna be a nice contrast here. Carbon, color, carbon. It's gonna look sick, mate.
Yeah, it is, Chris. I'm still not happy.
More carbon than Tamir on all of his cars together.
No, Chris!
The diffuser I ordered, full carbon fiber, 10 to 12 weeks.
Damn!
Yeah.
10 to 12
Ridiculous, man. But what did I come here for today?
Oh no, another one, Chris. Please don't be more carbon, Chris.
You don't want more carbon?
No, Chris, I want more carbon, man.
Listen, you don't have an option here. There is more carbon being installed today.
Chris, just hurry before I change my mind. Let me see this. What you got now? Oh.
Boom, baby. What is this? What is this?
Oh, just give me this, Chris.
Oh.
Okay,
it's more carbon. Nice. It's more carbon, baby.
It is nice though, but you lucky it's nice. Oh. Oh, I didn't have this, Chris. Why?
And as you guys all knew by now, I cut my rear quarter panels to put the wide body on, but they look good to me now.
I think they look a lot better, Chris. These are your old ones that look like trash.
Oh, remember yesterday? We swapped them out, the brand new quarter panels for the old ones.
Bruh. Thank God.
You guys want to see some? Let them see some footage of that. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, show them. You know, show them.
Oh, listen, it was already fucked up, and then I might have hit a bump, and yeah, we're missing one on.
Why do you have all these bullet holes though? Look, I don't understand.
Yeah.
Bruh.
I hit a bump, bro, and the shit just fucking. Bro, it was sideways like this. So I just ripped it off.
When it came off? Or
yeah, I just pulled over and I ripped it off, tossed it in the trunk, and came here. So we kind of just gave away what we're doing today, huh?
Oh, I did.
Some stock OEM fenders.
Let's look at that, Chris, and then. Chris, come on, man. I was just kidding. Don't really throw that, Chris. Come on, bro. Look, we could talk about this, but I was just kidding. I love Corvette. I love Supercar Suspects. Chris, come on, please. Oh God, Chris, please don't. Chris. Oh no, Chris.
As we were installing these yesterday, we realized that the rear bumper clips are actually broken, and this piece right here is broken off as well. So I ordered a new one of this on the way right now. Clips are absolutely destroyed because of that wide body, so new rear bumper install coming soon. Here it is, the brand new carbon fiber lip out in the sunlight. Looks absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you guys, this car's gonna be all carbon, man. But
beautiful, Chris.
Tamir hard at work here on 2 pieces of wood over here, jacking up the car because it's so low.
Chris, what the?
You see it now?
You gotta take all these screws out?
Look how many screws are holding my lip up right now.
Bro, this looks like a whole preschool, bro. Oh, bro.
I think it's like 25, 30 of them.
Bro, we're gonna be here for 25, 30 days, bro.
I kind of missed it, but the lip fell on his head.
Thanks, Chris. It's all good, Chris. I don't need my face or nothing there.
While we're at it, we should just take the blue off here. This is the final piece of blue left on this car right here. Let's do it.
Chris,
We out here sweating. We got all the blue off the car finally. The lip is not completely off of the car. It looks absolutely terrible, so it's time.
Chris.
More carbon.
Thanks.
We want carbon. Oh, this is for it's for a Camaro. Fuck.
It is?
Yeah.
Good. I'll take it.
What are those?
Oh, Chris, why you gotta show?
The lip is now on the car officially, and we gotta lower this car down. I want you guys to see it out in the sunlight, so,
it looks so nice.
Do the honors. Drop it down, baby.
Oh, yeah. Woo! How's it looking? Chris.
Fire, bro.
Yeah. Lee.
So long.
So low, bruh.
No.
God.
It got even lower now.
Oh, look what you did, Chris.
This is not good, bro.
This is what you wanted, Chris.
This is not good.
Bro, you about to drive so careful now, Chris.
Oh, no. Alright guys, leaving Tamir's house, I just want to give you guys a quick little update on all of the cars before we end off today's video. With the Corvette, everything is slowly but surely coming together. We're still missing a few very, very important parts, including the carbon fiber fenders, the wheels, and the diffuser, and a few little other miscellaneous carbon fiber parts, of course. I have decided on the wrap color, and I will be dropping it off this week to get the full car finally wrapped. With the 350Z, we actually have a full wide body kit on the way. I don't want to name the company because it's gonna spoil it, so I'll leave that as a surprise, but full wide body kit is on the way. We will be wrapping the car. The wheels are on the way. The carbon hood is on the way. Full exhaust, the wicker bill, all of these goodies are on the way for the 350Z. And last but not least, the Evo. My Evo's actually been at Ronnie's house for the last few weeks, getting all of the maintenance done, getting all the fuel lines replaced so it's not getting clogged by E90 anymore. So the next video you guys actually watch will be with the Evo. And as I mentioned before, don't think I disappear off and just forget to film videos, man. I've ordered these parts 8 to 12 weeks ago and I'm still waiting on them. I kind of miscalculated that. That's on my end, but all of these parts are coming in the next week or two, so we have non-stop bangers lined up for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget the Vegas show is September 26th. It will be one of the biggest car shows Vegas has ever seen. The Donut Pit is confirmed. The car show, the two-step, all of this good stuff will be there. I hope to see you guys there soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Haters can't get what they want, they mad cause they can't cheer with us.